Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art Marketing Blog, and this is my Aurora 2.0 review, demo, and $3,297 bonus. Now, Aurora 2.0 is a second version of this software that essentially gets you traffic and turns it into $1,000 commission. So if you don't know, it actually takes the same amount of time to sell something for $10 and to sell something for $1,000, right? But obviously the approach is much different. So don't focus on these small $5, $10, $20 sales if you can make $1,000 commissions, and Aurora 2.0 is a piece of software that will actually allow you to do it. Okay, so there's two components to it. First of all, you will be using automated webinars which are done for you. You're gonna get 5 different done for you webinars with it, and also it generates traffic. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works. We're going to do a little demo. I'm going to have a full separate demo a part of this video, so you can check it out as well. So right now, let me share my screen and let's jump into this Aurora 2.0 review now. That's how the sales page will look like. As you can see, it says reopened with brand new automated free traffic included. Aurora 2.0 game-changing software automates $1,000 commissions, 24/7 income stream, no expenses, no BS. So this is being released by Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong. So again, Aurora 2.0. And this is a little demo right here, so you can check it out right here on the sales page. So again, this is all about generating free traffic and turning it into $1,000 commissions. So they talk about traffic right here. So essentially, again, $1,000 commissions. That's the design. You just add your link, then you add the free automated traffic, and you can make money this way. And this is in the thousands of dollars. Okay, so that's John on vacation right here. So these guys are actual millionaires. They are making millions of dollars per year. So they know what they are talking about and doing here. Okay, so 30 days money back guarantee as always, so no risk on your part. 4 bonuses right here on the sales page, and you're getting my bonuses on top of these bonuses. Okay, so well over $3,000 worth of bonuses from me. That's essentially it. Again, Brendan and Jono, 2 guys behind this new product, and the inside of the members area looks like this. Okay, so again, how this works is you're going to get a piece of software that does 2 things. I'm going to show you the software in a second. So it essentially creates webinar pages with your affiliate link on them, with all the pixels, all the countdown timers and everything else you want to add. So you actually turn these webinars into actual commissions of $1,000, and you also get the traffic part, which is essentially Pinterest. Okay, so how this works is, let me pull this up and let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so we have the traffic part and we have the offer part. So the offer is a webinar. You're getting 5 done for your webinars. This is the webinar. This will be your buy now button, where you essentially add your affiliate link, and obviously you're going to be making money this way. Now the traffic part, how this works is Aurora 2.0 works with Pinterest, which means that it automates the whole thing. Okay, so you can do this manually, but it will take you hours and hours and hours every single day. So how it works is you have a Pinterest account, and in your bio you will add a link to this automated webinar. Now what you could do manually is you just go to top performers in your niche, like Frank Kern, all these big marketers. You follow all their followers, and then they follow you back, and then they go to your profile and they check it out, they see a link and they click on it. Okay, that's in a nutshell. Now if you would want to do this manually, obviously you would need hours and hours and hours every single day. What Aurora 2.0 does is it auto follows all the followers of these big marketers, which means that you can follow tens of thousands of people every single day, and then that's how you generate free traffic. Okay, so Pinterest is what you're getting with the main product, and Instagram is what you're getting in the pro version, which is the first upsell. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second, but again, essentially these are the 2 different components. So you're getting the traffic right here, and then you send the traffic to your webinar page. Okay, so this is how this looks like, and obviously you're going to get all the video training showing you exactly how to use the software and also how to make money with it. Okay, so we have the introduction right here. We have preparing to embark, then we have filling your treasure sack, your evergreen options, setting up your snowmobile, and then loading your snowmobile and turning the key. So as you can see, everything is right here. You will be able to register for live training right here. If we're gonna click right here, then we can access the basic Aurora software. So you're gonna have to open an account, that's all included. As you can see, you can also get the pro version right here. And again, that's the first OTO. We will talk about that in a second. Now, let me show you the inside of the software. This is how it essentially looks like, okay? So you just click on add new webinar and you set up the webinar, and this is how this looks like, okay? So you just add the project name, your headline, this is optional, your pixel code, that's for Google ads and Facebook ads if you want to run them, a part of the Pinterest traffic and Instagram traffic. You just add the video. So as you can see, we have 5 done for you webinars. We have Brendan and John webinar number 1 and 2. We have Paul Nichols and Antonio Mancuso, Greg Kononenko and Stefan Ciancio, and John Crestani super affiliate system. Okay, so we are getting 5 done for you webinars. You just click right here where it says selected. You can add an intro video or not, totally up to you. And then you have the call to action button right here, so you can edit this text. So can type and click here. We can change the background, the button color, and we obviously add our call to action link right here. Okay, so this will be your affiliate link, and we can actually set this up to show up after an X amount of seconds. So it can be right there, right from the start, or we can kick in after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's totally up to you. Okay, so then you save and publish, and this is how it looks like. We can do a little preview. So we have the webinar. People will click right here to watch it, and we have the button. So super easy. Again, these webinars are totally done for you, and this is how this whole thing looks like. Now, a part of this, you're gonna have the Pinterest module. So essentially you just add your Pinterest link, and Aurora 2.0 will follow all the big marketers followers. Okay, so again, they follow you back, they check out the link. That's how you generate traffic. And again, with the pro version, you also can do this on Instagram, which will essentially double your traffic. That's how it works in a nutshell. Super simple idea. You can implement this in a matter of seconds because everything is done for you. You just add your webinar and you add your affiliate link and your Pinterest link, and that's essentially it. It runs on complete autopilot. Okay, now guys, let's check out all of the upsells. So as always, I have a full written review, and this will include the funnels. So Aurora 2.0 upgrade number 1, that's the pro version that we talked about. It will be $67, and the pro version includes unlimited webinars, unlimited everything, and also the Instagram traffic version. Okay, so the main version has some limitations, and you'll be fine with it, to make money and to check it out. And if you want unlimited publishing, if you actually want to start publishing, tens of webinars per day, that's the unlimited version, and also Instagram traffic. Aurora 2.0 upgrade number 1, $67. Aurora 2.0 upgrade number 2, $197, and this is done for you. Auto webinars, you can instantly add to the Aurora system. So these are additional done for you webinars. Okay, so this is for evergreen webinars you can make money with. That's number 2. Upgrade number 3, we have limitless traffic, which allows you to put your ad pixel on the Aurora 2.0 sales page and siphon the traffic out. So essentially you can target hundreds of thousands of visitors of the Aurora 2.0 sales page and just target them with ads, and these will be retargeting ads, which are super cheap, so you're paying pennies on them. Okay, that's upgrade number 3, $197, and last upgrade is upgrade number 4, $97, and this is license rights to sell Aurora 2.0 as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself on the whole funnel. Okay, so obviously if you have traffic, you can promote anything. You can promote $1,000 webinars or Aurora itself. As you can see, we have some nice $197 commissions if you're getting paid 100%, so you can promote that with Aurora itself as well. Now guys, I promised you a huge bonus to Aurora 2.0, and this is it. Okay, so before, let me just mention to you that Aurora goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on April 7th. And if you'll decide to pick it up through my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses. Okay, so from my blog, if you're watching this on my blog, just click on one of these blue links right here, and if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses, and these free custom made bonuses will teach you 3 different traffic sources. Okay, so obviously the more traffic you can generate, the more commissions you will make, and these free bonuses will teach you about 3 different traffic sources. Then you're gonna get 4 custom made bonuses from Aurora. So these are made by Brendan and Jono, and they are giving it away to my subscribers. You're also gonna get a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products: Incivit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So you just saw that the reseller's license for Aurora sells for $97. You're getting free from me for free, and you're also gonna get a massive done for you pack from me. Okay, so the done for you pack for Aurora costs $197. You're getting mine for free. So again, these are done for you campaigns, evergreen funnels, and much more. Okay. Buyers List Ninja is another course from me that you're gonna get. This is super useful. Everything you need to know about creating a buyers list, which is the best kind of a list that you can have. You're also gonna get an additional piece of software, Urgency Suits Pro. This is a piece of software for affiliate marketers or anyone that is selling anything online. Okay. And on top of all this, you're gonna get a bunch of W's of the Day awarded products: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, my case study on free traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable, 10x Commissions, 10K a month, and additional 20 software and plugins. Okay, so you're gonna get Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Affiliate Advantage Plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action, which means that this is a total of $1,797. But I'm not done, because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus is worth $1,500, which means that you're getting a total of $3,297 worth of bonuses to Aurora 2.0. And again, if you want to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is pick up Aurora 2.0 through my link. Just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, and again, you will probably pick up Aurora 2.0 anyway, so why not pick it up through my link and get all of these bonuses, right? So again, guys, last thing before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. So all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon on the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find Aurora 2.0, and if you picked it up through my link, you should see an extra button. So you have the button saying access your purchase, and below you should see another button saying bonuses from art. So that's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done automatically. And again, Aurora goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on April 7th. This was my Aurora 2.0 review. If you have any questions, leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. Again, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and from my blog just click on one of these blue links to pick it up. And I will be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!